What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, so I know what you're thinking. You're like, who is that guy? It's me, V. Yeah, I got a haircut. And here, I mean, I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but basically, there's no winning with hair. There really isn't. You know, I thought I found the perfect solution. I'm just gonna grow my hair out and I don't have to mess with it. I don't gotta worry about, you know, styling it and looking good for my lady girl, you know. But listen, thing is, it's always a problem. You got hair, it's always like none of it, even if you put it up, it's still, there's little bits and it's just, you can't win. You can't win. You know, and so I got tired of the long hair getting in my face, coming out of the bun and all that when I put it up. And so, yeah, so we went short. It was kind of a last minute decision. It's kind of sloppy right now, so I didn't go, you know, it's not straight from the barber right now. But anyway, enough about me, okay? Enough about my hair. And I know that's all you guys want to talk about, but today, we got bigger and better things. Check it. Got a free basketball hoop. Facebook Marketplace. I'm telling you, hashtag winning all the time. Hashtag winning all the time. Yeah. Anyway, listen. Few things I need to do. There's so much I gotta tell you guys. There's so much. There's just like everything. All right. First thing first. Dope. Guys, did you see? Did you see that little creature? Did you see the creature? Creature. Pepper. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here, Pep. Come here. Did you see this creature? Come on, she's just waking up. She's a little puppy. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Ain't she just the cutest? Why are you so slow? Hurry up. Golly, look at her. Just look at her. She's nervous. She's camera shy. She's never been on camera. Actually has. Hey, Pep. This is Pepper. Guys, this is Pepper. She's just waking up, and look how much love she's giving me. Oh my gosh, she just wants to love me. That's Pepper right there. Pepper, welcome. Welcome, Pepper. She's new, okay? Oh yeah, it is a she. She's new. All right, she's 12 weeks old, about, and we got her from a farmer, not too far away. Actually, here's some footage from us picking her up. That's the puppy. Let's go look at him. You guys nervous? You guys nervous?
No. Hi.
How's it going?
How are you?
Hi, I'm Val.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Look at this guy. Or girl, right? Girl. Yeah.
We call her Blue just because that's what came naturally.
Yeah.
She's actually 11 weeks.
Okay.
11? Okay.
So, or did she say 10? She was just figuring it up.
So a little under 3 months.
A little over 15 pounds when we took her to the vet last week. So, in terms of our Pyrenees, that's really kind of normal.
So she's going to be a big dog?
She's going to be a big dog.
Look at her. She's just a guard dog right away. She's half Great Pyrenees, quarter Border Collie, quarter Blue Heeler. I was looking for a cat, and we found a dog. How about that? That's how life works, huh? So found her on Craigslist. You know, you got to go to Craigslist every now and then. We were looking for a cat because I found there was a mouse in the wall in the barn dominium, and we heard it scratching. Super annoying. Anyway, I built this awesome trap that it's pretty cool. Basically, I'm going to tell you guys because it's awesome. Basically, you drill like a dime-sized hole in your wall, okay, at the bottom. In this case, we didn't have baseboard, so it was perfect because the baseboard is just going to cover that up once we get it in there. But You drill that dime-sized hole where the scratching is happening. Then I got a box, cardboard box, cut the top off. Okay, so you can see from the top down. I put the same dime-sized hole on one side of the box that was gonna go up against the wall, covered the top with plastic wrap, put a big sticky pad inside the box, peanut butter in the middle, and boom, waited patiently, okay? That's that. Boom. A few days later, I thought I was actually giving up on that trap after a little while. It was a few days, four or 5 days. I just left it there. One day I look, boom, there's a mouse stuck in there because of his fat self trying to get the peanut butter. Well, skinny enough to fit through the dime-sized hole, but point is, fat mouse, caught it, nailed ya. I got you. Can't escape me. Second of all right, so that's cool. How did I get on that? I don't know. Anyway, listen. Second of all, yeah, got the pup. Kids are super pumped about it. Got them a basketball hoop so they can finally stop bugging us and just go play basketball. A lot of things happening out here. Hydroseed. You can't see it right now, really, because it's kind of been already rained on and stuff. And some of it, we had a pretty big storm. Some of it kind of got washed around, and I'm hoping, I mean, some of it I see is taken on. I'm just hoping it was worth the moolah, honestly, because we just need grass. We need grass ASAP. Anyway, that's besides the point. Maybe here's some footage of the hydroseed guys just doing their thing. Because, man, update video, too many things going on. Roll the hydroseed footage now. Go ahead and do it, roll it. Isn't that crazy? They're just like blowing it all over the place like it's a NASCAR race or something. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, those guys did that. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully it's all good. You know, it's just the world we live in. And what the heck are you eating? Pepper, what are you eating? What are you eating there, Pepper? What you got there, Pepper? You look like you got something red, something like a chicken bone, or what is that? What is that? The heck is that? Can I see? Stop hiding it. Oh, it's an apple. She's a vegan. Just kidding. But you gotta get your fruits in. Anyway, what was I saying? Hydroseed. Yeah, got that nailed down. But you know how it is in life. It's just how it is. It's you go and you put something down, hydroseed, and you're like, all I want is just a little sprinkle. Get it activated. You know, get the seed propagating. And then comes a storm. Jacks up all your work. And it's the life, just the way the life works. Yeah, another example. Okay, boom. Put my smoker out here because it's just got it out of the way. It was in here and I'm doing other stuff and got it out of the way. And I forgot I had my grease catcher under there. And guess who loves grease? Puppy dogs. And guess what? Puppy dog got into it, spilled the grease over here, and now we got a little grease stain. All right. Now we got a grease stain. So that's how it is. Get a nice new sidewalk, get a nice new driveway, and then you get stains on it. All right, I power washed it as best I could. I think that took care of most of it, but it's stained. You know, maybe I could get some degreaser or something to really get in there and fight the dirt or the grease. We'll see. Anyway, that's life. Another example. And this is gonna get into my next thing, my next little update here. Notice, we got drywall, boys. We got drywall. It's sprayed. Yeah, okay. Another example. Drywall, just painted, just sprayed, and then I go and I scratch it up with something. Now it's the garage, I don't care, whatever, doesn't matter. But the point is, that's just how life goes. Nothing we can do here that's gonna stay in tippity top shape. That's just the world we live in. Get like an airplane coming over my head. But guys, listen, look, we got drywall and it's painted. My wife has been painting. I've been helping her a little bit. She's been doing most of the work, but it's painted. Also, I got help. Guy from church offered to help put cabinets together. Got the RTA cabinets from bestonlinecabinets.com. They're not sponsoring this video, but you should totally sponsor this video because why not? That'd be awesome. Yeah, he started putting that together. We're getting cabinets rolling. All right, so much to tell you guys. I have not been filming because life is crazy. Here's the other thing. In order for us to lock in our interest rate, because you know interest rates are climbing through the roof, and we wanted to lock them in, got it locked in 5.125%. I know, it's like, and that's a 30-year, you know. I tried looking at the 15-year, thinking, oh, maybe if it's worth it, we'll do 15-year and just, you know, try to do that, and it wasn't all that much better. I'm like, all right, we're going with the 30-year, and we'll just pay extra or whatever to, you know, to knock that down and kind of subsidize, or I don't know words. Anyway, yeah. So that's that. So in order to lock it in, they say you gotta be done in 60 days. You gotta be living in it. So we're hauling butt. We are hauling butt. That's it. That's the plan, Stan. We got 60 days. And so that is why I have not been out here filming. I have not been out here just keeping you guys up to date. It's been tough, all right? It's all us at this point. I said, after the drywall guy leaves, Juan Carlos, I appreciate you, thank you. That was more of Italian slash, anyway. Yikes. Anyway. Yeah, once the drywall guys leave, then it's just up to us. And we got, you know, we got cabinets to put together. We gotta paint. We gotta put the flooring in. We got, I got a garage door to put in. I gotta put in my, in-floor radiant heat system. If you remember, I put PEX tubing all throughout the slab here. I gotta put up, you know, put all the, basically the stuff that's on the wall, the whole manifolds that connect to that thing with the pumps and the water heater and the yada yadas. I gotta put all that in there. Lot of stuff. Okay, so that's that. I mean, so much to update you guys on. So much going on. Yeah, it's been a whirlwind. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting. Can we do it in 60 days? I hope so. You know, I'm hopeful. It's hard though. You gotta, every day, you gotta somehow find the get up and go to get up and go. And it's not always easy, you know. But yeah, I mean, I sprayed and primed and painted the ceilings all, you know, in a matter of, I think it was over 2 days or so. I had so much trouble with the sprayer and it wasn't working and it was clogging up the filter constantly in the inline filter. So it was just giving me so much trouble. And then when I did get a new filter, the tip was always clogging up. I'm just like, what is going on? So I'm like, I can't delay anymore. I went and got a new sprayer because I was like, all right, let me go rent one. And renting one was like $200. And I'm like, well, I might as well just go get a new sprayer. It'll be a new sprayer, and yeah, whatever, you know. Anyway, long story short, turned out the drywall primer that I had purchased, you have to thin it out. I didn't see that. I guess I didn't read the instructions, first of all. I didn't know that. It just said you can paint it, you can roll it, you can spray it. That's what it said. And then I looked in the back after all that frustration and it said, thin it out up to 1 quart of water per gallon. I'm like, gosh, dangly doolies. Why didn't I read that first? So with my new sprayer, I thinned it all out. It sprays magically, of course. So, but whatever, I guess I got a new sprayer now of my own, because that one was my father-in-law's. But since he's gonna be living over at the barn dominium, we're gonna have 2 sprayers on the property. Whatever, doesn't matter. Shoot, anyway, I got plenty of work to do around here, folks. So I'm gonna get to it. Anyway, just an update video. I know it's been a long time coming. I want to keep you guys posted as much as I can. I have a hard time posting a video every week with all the tight timelines we got. You know, it takes effort to film these things, because when you film something, you're taking up time to film the process. And, you know, I don't know how these people do it on YouTube. Oh, that's right, because they don't have a job. Yeah, they don't have a job. I think their job is YouTube, and ain't nobody paying me to do this. I just want to keep y'all posted. I just want to document this for myself. It's just been, you know, it's a fun experience, just to kind of document the process, you know, kind of like a journal, except it's like a blog, except it's like a vlog. Who would have thought? So if I'm not posting every week, don't hate. You know, I'm trying to get there, but it's hard to film, it's hard to post, it's hard to edit when you got so much stuff just going on that, yeah, it's hard to do it. But anyway, this is enough for this video. Wanted to just kind of keep you guys updated, let you know what the scoop is, how things have been going on, what's been going on, and I'll try to keep you posted. I'll try to keep you guys involved as much as possible. But yeah, I don't know. Subscribe, follow along. I know I say subscribe, but a lot of my viewers actually are not subscribers even. So a lot of people that come across my videos are not even people that subscribe to the channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and then subscribe, because that's rude. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but yeah, totally subscribe. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all take it easy. Till next time.